Alright, you. Welcome to Old Man Reviews. I am the old man in question, and today we will be working through Spider-Man for the Nintendo 64. So we're going to start off with the Expo 2000. So, wow, it's pretty old at this point. So, the scientist who's bringing this to us is Dr. Otto Octavius, so I'm sure that he will only be featured at the beginning. Unlikely to do anything else because he's only a scientist. Alright, here's Eddie Brock. So we have the comic book style intro to the movie, which is giving us some of the exposition as to what is going on. Scientist acting very security-like instead of scientist-like. And who's there? Oh my, I'm going to just walk out and show everyone, because that's what anyone would do if being confronted. And yeah, so it's, hey, that's me. Brock getting confused. Alright, so this sets up another series of events that'll happen later in the game. It's somewhat unrelated to the true criminals, although very important and relevant. And Venom is back. Phase 1 complete. Now I know who it is, but it sounds like the Joker more than anything else. Alright, so we have our first comic book cover there. I have to get to the bank.
True believers and newcomers alike. Spider-Man co-creator Stan Lee here. Once again, we find our hero Peter Parker, better known around the world as the Amazing Spider-Man, in a heap of trouble. But this is just the beginning, Spidey fans. So get ready for a true superhero action thriller, packed to the brim with thrills and chills, twists and turns, more supervillains than you can shake a web at, and of course, non-stop web-slinging, wall-crawling action.
Alright, I didn't want to talk over Stan Lee's commentary, because...
Hey, what's going on?
I know there's been some trouble, but the bank's being robbed, and they've got hostages. Use your Spidey compass to get to the bank quickly.
The bank? What is it?
Thanks, Cat.
It's a big building where they store money. Alright. Old Man Reviews here, and this is my walkthrough of Spider-Man for Nintendo 64. And my commentary as well.
It's tingling.
Oh.
Something's going on here.
So this game, there's a lot of nice features about this game, and think of all the superhero games that are out there that I've played quite a few of. This one is one of the best. The story works, the action works. I'm not sure why these guys are up on the building, probably waiting for me, because they know I don't care much for bank robberies, but... Oh, that was pretty bad. But, not caring for bank robberies, considering what has already transpired. Do a little better next time, huh?
Whoa, police choppers.
Yeah, that's our hero. I think that's Cletus. That's Carnage on the billboard off to the left. I don't know if I ever noticed that before. So this game has many different... That was just a level that I completed, but obviously I'm not going to stop at this point, seeing that it's only been a few moments, but some of the other levels, like when you're dealing with Venom is... Each level is its own level, whereas I just consider the whole bank thing its own. Check the comics, and yep, they're gonna blame me for that. So this kind of lets you know that, well, this is a kid game and fun. It is pretty serious. It's not a let's play around. Pretty serious
I
stuff.
believe they shot down those police choppers.
Yeah, just my luck. I'll probably get blamed for that, too. Is that the bank ahead?
Yes, but be careful, Spider. I saw the chopper dropping off armed robbers on top of the bank.
Thanks for the heads up, Cat.
Yes. Thanks for the heads up. Is that the bank ahead? Because I'm a New Yorker and I don't know where stuff
I bet I
is.
can get into the bank through the top of this building.
The voice acting in this is
Right.
okay.
It's the Jade Syndicate.
Mostly used during cut scenes, but a few. Ooh, that was pretty good. Oh. Alright, cool move. Next time, just shoot. So I'm knocking these guys off the roof, so I should probably be charged with murder or attempted murder. I mean,
That's the last one.
it is,
Still all right.
and that guy goes off the roof, and there's nothing. That's it. I just killed a guy. So here I am creating my, oh. Alright, so here we go into the bank now. This is technically a new level, but I'm filming it
I hope they don't mind if I make a
one.
quick deposit.
Let's do this. Oh, I expected him to get closer to me. I'm playing this on medium. These guys are dying way too easy.
We do have hostages to make sure they don't get hurt.
Yeah, they're not.
Looks like that room
Doing
there controls
much.
the security doors. The door is locked from the inside. There's got to be another way in.
Something else over. Oh, don't need that. Okay. Took me a moment to remember which.
Looks
button
like
it
these
was.
switches can open the security doors. Hey!
Wanted to do that one last. There we go. That's the one I wanted. What? No thanks. And this will get me in contact with the next section. Oh, maybe not. There, that's the one. Really just locked myself back in. Okay. There we go. Not wanting to move there. And to let myself out. Really, as soon as that door opened. As soon as that door opened, that thug or should have been trying to figure out what was going on, and not just going and standing there. There's one more. Alright. And what's interesting is this bank is tailor-made for me
Going down?
because every place I go into in the bank it opens with webbing. Get reused to that
Mind
zip
if I
line
drop
one.
in? What's going on out here?
I think they do a better job of oh, sorry, so used to.
Messing with us. Start the timer on the bomb and take out all the hostages. The robbers have been taken care of, but what can I do about the bomb? Big Spidey think. Big safe.
Camera angles. I think those hostages just disappeared. Yeah, so now we are talking a Goldfinger type moment where when the bomb goes off, it's going to change the value of the, irradiate all the gold, and that's a lot of gold too. Oh, I should have webbed up there before. But oh well. All right. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.